Hello guys, my name is Tani. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
You ready? You got me running.
So the point of this video is really to let you know what to expect from this channel. As you probably already know, I'm a photographer and I'm a singer-songwriter. So what I will be doing is really showcasing these two different parts of my life, so you can follow me on this journey. I will be showing behind the scenes footage. I'll be dropping some tutorial content, how-tos and things like that, things I've learned over the years being a photographer, and also things I've learned being a musician and being a songwriter. So if you're interested in music, if you're interested in photography, if you're interested in life, you just like laughing or you just want a place to hang out, come on and join this journey. So thank you, subscribe please, and see you soon.